Today I'm making movie night snacks. First, I'm going to make the cookies and cream popcorn, so on a baking sheet I have 2 bags of popcorn spread out. Next, I melted 3/4 of a cup of milk chocolate. I'm going to drizzle that on top of the popcorn. Then I melted 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate. I'm going to drizzle that on top. Next, I chopped up 10 Oreos. I'm going to sprinkle that on top and then put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to set up. Next, I'm going to make the candy tray, so in the center I'm going to add some Buncha Crunch. Then I'm going to add some Sour Patch Kids watermelons. Next, I'm going to add some Nerds gummy clusters. Then I'm going to add some Twix minis. Then I'm going to add some gummy worms. Then I'm going to add some Sweet Tarts mini chewy. Lastly, I'm going to add some Jolly Ranchers chewy poppers. Next, I'm going to make some soda floats, so I have some glasses with straws in them. First, I'm going to add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream into each glass. Next, I'm going to fill each glass with some Coca-Cola. Once the chocolate was set on the popcorn, I add the popcorn to popcorn containers. Here's an up-close look at the movie night snacks.